Welcome back to my channel. Lately we uploaded 3 videos about SMA, EMA, and fractals. We gave all the details on what is the proper usage of each indicator. But there is one more thing remaining, which is the entry point confirmation. Some of the traders are applying horizontal lines on the charts as their support and resistance to determine their entry point, but honestly it is not precise. Through the entry point confirmation, we can determine the precise entry point. And if you hear about the candlestick pattern or the candlestick formation, these are the entry point confirmations. But the question is, what are the candlestick pattern we need, or how the candlestick formation looks like? Now let's go on first on the candlestick pattern and candlestick formation, and then we will go back on the charts to see if really this candlestick pattern and candlestick formations appear on the chart before the trend momentum will happen. This is what we call hammer candlestick, that represents for a potential swing high or buy position. When we talk about swing, it represents a longer reversal trend. Either it is bearish or bullish trend. A hammer candlestick can be bearish candle or bullish candle. Set aside the color of the candlestick. The most important is that the size of the body and the size of the wick line. Now the wick line is the thin line that you see above the candle and below the candlestick. The body of the hammer candlestick should be 1/3 of the candlestick, and the lower wick line should be longer than the upper wick line. Now please familiarize the size of the hammer candlestick, because there is another candlestick which is a little bit similar to hammer candlestick, which is the doji candle. This is the other candlestick that represents for a potential swing low or sell position. The only difference in between shooting star and hammer is that the lower wick line is shorter than the upper wick line, which is located on the upper body of the candlestick. But the body size is similar, which is 1/3 of the candlestick. Now, same as the doji candle, there is also a little bit similar, so you must familiarize the size of the body of the shooting star. The long wick lines on the top of the candlestick body indicates that the sellers are more in control of the market. They are more stronger than the buyers. Shooting star can also be a bearish candle or a bullish candlestick, similar to the hammer candlestick. So set aside the color of the candle. Now here is another indicator for a potential high or buy position, which is the candlestick formation. Candlestick formation is always composed of two candlesticks. The second candlestick is higher than the first candlestick. Disregard the color of the first candlestick. It could be a bearish candle or a bullish candlestick. And also disregard the size of the body of the candlestick. It might be shorter or longer. The most important is the formation of the candlestick, which is the other one is in a lower position and the other one is in a higher position, which means they have what we call higher high and higher low. Here we are on the last candlestick formation that we need to identify the potential sell position. This candlestick formation is also composed of two candlesticks. The first candlestick is higher than the second candlestick. The second candlestick is lower than the first candlestick. Now the first candlestick, disregard the color, or either it is bullish or bearish, disregard the color, and also the body size of the candlestick, how long is it or how big is it, disregard the color. The most important is the formation. If you see on the chart, the two candlesticks create a formation of lower low and a higher low and lower low. What I mean is higher low and lower low. Candlestick formation is used as a replacement for the hammer and the shooting star, because the hammer only appears if the buyer is very strong, and the shooting star appears only when the sellers are very strong. But if these two candlesticks appear, the hammer and the shooting star, you are on the right time for a selling and a buying position. Surely your trade will never lose. Now let's go back on the chart to see if this candlestick formation and candlestick patterns really appears before the potential of a trend reversal happens. Let us find first the shooting star and the candlestick formation for potential sell position. Now I have seen two shooting star here, this one and the other one is that one, and also the candlestick formation for a potential sell position is visible also on this chart. Now let us scroll back to find for a hammer, candlestick, and candlestick formation for a potential buy position. Now in this chart, the candlestick, a hammer candlestick position, a hammer candlestick is located on this area, and The candlestick formation is also located on this area. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell.